Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lava Gem feature phone. This particular variant is called the Blue Gold variant. You can see what the phone looks like. There's a transparent cover on top. It's quite a big phone, quite a large phone for a feature phone, and notice that the display is almost 50% of this particular phone. Let's open this box and get a closer look at the phone itself. So here you are. This is the phone right here, and there's some other stuff in the box as well. Let me take them out. So we have a pair of headphones from Lava. Let me quickly show them to you. There you go. There's a pair of headphones, a very standard set of headphones with a 3.5mm jack at the back and a pretty long cable. There's almost a meter long cable. It's a nice touch. Let's leave this here. This is the charger for the Lava Gem feature phone. Show it to you quickly. There you go. This is the charger for this particular phone. There's a Lava logo right over here. You can see the Lava logo right over here. And this is the micro USB jack at the other end. We'll leave this right over here. And this is the battery for the feature phone. This is a retro design feature phone, so the battery, the removable and rechargeable batteries, they come separately like so. This is a 1800 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it's made in India. That's awesome. And this is a 3.7 volt battery. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's keep them over here. Let's take a look at the phone. There's a huge sticker over here. I'm going to remove that and give you a closer look at the display. As mentioned earlier, the display, you will notice it's like 50% of the entire phone. This is a 2.4-inch TFT display. And the back side is pretty glossy. There you can see it's a very glossy back side, and this is a 1.3 megapixel camera that comes with this particular phone. This is of course a retro style phone. You will not find a QWERTY keyboard or the keyboard that you find on the keypad that you find on a smartphone. This is your old school numpad style keyboard. And also notice this call cancel button. This is the button that you use to perform most of the functions. This particular phone comes with this battery charge at the center as well. Let's see what that is. To start this phone up, we have to insert the battery, and for that we have to remove this flap at the back. Let me just quickly show what's inside. There you go. Now that I've removed this flap, you will notice that there are two SIM card slots over here, and this is the slot for a micro SD card. These three pins are what will be in contact with these three metallic plates over here. So let's do that. Close the flap. Now it's time to start this particular phone. Turn it on. How do we turn it on? You see this button, the call cancel button. We're going to press and hold this button till it turns on. And the moment you start this on, you will see this language options, and the setup process has basically begun. First you set up the language, then date, time, and then your personal setting, all your personal setups. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lava Gem feature phone. Thank you for watching.